Hey everyone, I'm back down in Port Colborne to get you a couple more ships. And just coming down here in Port Colborne, I'm just standing on one of those Bascule bridges, not Basculia, it's Bascule. This one's not as historic. But anyway, I got two Algomas coming in. Yeah, back to back, look at this. Now over the last few days we've had quite a strong winds, and the winds have dissipated quite a bit, so I'm going to try and get the drone up and get some shots of these two ships in line as they come in. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Though I do have to say, I was going to put a time lapse up. I put one up, and unfortunately the vibrations on this bridge were really bad, so I scrapped the idea, but it would have been a good shot, but unfortunately it's too much vibration.
This is Lock 8 of the Welland Canal here in Port Colborne, also known as the Guard Gate or the Control Lock, which is located near the southern entrance to the canal where it meets Lake Erie. Unlike other locks on the Welland Canal, Lock 8 primarily serves as a control lock rather than a lift lock. Its main function is to regulate water levels between the canal and Lake Erie, especially during fluctuating lake levels and adverse weather conditions like storms or high winds. Lock 8 is the longest lock in the system, measuring 420 meters, which is 1,380 feet in length. This size accommodates large vessels, including the Seaway Max freighters. Unlike the traditional lift locks that significantly raise or lower vessels, Lock 8 generally has a minimal lift, typically less than 1 meter or 3 feet, and is often at the same elevation as Lake Erie. Today we are watching the Algoma Niagara come through Lock 8. The Niagara is part of Algoma Central's Equinox class, designed for enhanced energy efficiency and environmental performance. The Algoma Niagara was constructed in China, and she was laid down in September 2016, and it was launched in February of 2017. After departing the shipyard, the vessel sailed to Canada via the Panama Canal, entering service on the Great Lakes on November the 1st, 2017. As the drone is over the funnel stack right now and we can see the smoke plume coming out, or the exhaust I should say, I can let you know that this vessel is equipped with an exhaust scrubber system which meets sulfur dioxide emissions regulations. The Algoma Niagara is 225.5 meters long, which is 740 feet, and she has a beam of 23.8 meters, which is 78 feet.
Any moment now this alarm will go off on this bridge, and this Bascule bridge will lift up, the floodgates, the lock gates will open, and the Algoma Niagara will make its way down here onto the bridge 21 and out onto Lake Erie. few boats in here, the smaller ones. We'll have a look at still watch very short, which is this one over here. Have a little look around that in a minute. And a couple of pilot boats here. The alarms are now going off on the bridge. So the bridge will raise. I've got a time lapse on the go. So we'll watch it come through. And while we're waiting, we'll have a quick look around still watch, which is here. Yeah, at one point there was like 20 boats moored up, anchored off both sides of the Welland Canal here, Ontario and Lake Erie. And now that the winds have subsided, traffic's starting to move again. But anyway, this is still watch. I believe this is the one that failed the inspection to come through the Welland Canal. Is that a wash base or a fryer? Well, the motor's running. Well, people are living in it. It's just not going anywhere for a while. All right, back to the Algoma Niagara. Bridge is up and should be coming through any moment. Right, I'm back down here. I managed to catch up with the Algoma and got a drone up, so see what we can see as we fly over there. So anyway, here's the drone footage. I love the displacement of that, the bottom of the lake, of the canal there, the sediment being disturbed by the propeller of the Algoma. Just, it's hard to do this one-handed. Put the drone down. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. So it's over there. Engine's on full go now. A lot of steam coming out of that funnel as we go past the old mill, which is on the right. So usually where we see Frontenac loading up there. CSL's Frontenac, got many videos of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fly right over the Algoma Niagara, and we're going to have a look out onto the lake, because I think there's like 6 vessels out there. So just give me a second. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin it around. 5. There should be one more, and the pilot boat is out there as well. You know what? Maybe I'll enlarge it again. That might help. Just enlarge it. All right, enlarge. Now we can see better. 1, 2, 3. There's a pilot boat. 4, 5, and there is 6. There we have it. 6 vessels anchored off Port Colborne right now. And there's the Algoma making her way out of port. All right, drone back. We actually have a Canadian Coast Guard vessel just here, so I'm going to bring the drone back, and we'll just have a quick look at that as well. Okay, I believe it's called Limmos. I'm actually looking at it right now. It's right here. Right, Limmos. It's right in front of me. I was trying to figure out what it's called. All right, here we go. Let's get the drone around it. Give me a second. Okay, it's arc round. Oh, that's a nice shot, actually. For quite a breezy day, and the drone's doing quite well. Very nice. All right, and further on down the canal was that old vessel we saw. So let's have a quick look at that. This is that vessel, which I don't think is canal worthy. It didn't pass its inspection. That's what I read. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I remember reading this a few weeks ago on one of the websites. She's a great looking vessel though, for just needs a bit of TLC, but otherwise that's a nice looking boat really. I saw through one of the window, well, the patio door at the back, it actually looks really nice. I bet it's really good inside. All right, get the drone back. All right, that is it for this particular video down here at Port Colborne. I hope you enjoyed the video of the Algoma Niagara. Till the next video, stay safe, see you all very soon.